wells. Just left stovepipe wells. A long straight highway. Windows are down. DanoLive. Alright, we're like about 4,000 feet off the Death Valley floor now. And I got the DanoLive pedal to the metal. Now I just kicked it down into second gear. We're rolling at 35 miles an hour. It is a steep climb. The roads are kind of cool. Got a lot of dipsy-doos in them. You see the scenery is still quite beautiful. You hear that little four-banger whine. Temperature's good. Use about a quarter tank of gas so far. About 3 gallons, 94 miles. So we're doing good. Let's see. Yep, here we are. Elevation sign, 4,000 feet. Just a bit ago, we were at sea level. Ooh, look at that dip. Well, oh yeah. Fun roads. Still we're climbing. We're about 30 miles outside of Death Valley. About maybe 20 miles to Panamint Springs. I didn't think it was that far away from Death Valley, but made a commitment to check it out, so we get to ride and check it out. Look at these roads. How fun is this? I have to remember when I could earn that money to get another Carrera. Take this road in springtime when it's cool. Well, they're water cool now anyway, but take one that's cool and race it. Race the road. That's when I get cranking. We got a 40 mile an hour turn. Look at that. Oh, I gotta go over that way. Hope you're enjoying hanging out with Dano. You can pause at any time and get back up with it later. Whoa, look at that. 30 mile an hour turn, it says. I'm only doing 35. I should be able to handle it, right? There's one car in front of me. Oh, it's still up there. There are a couple cars pull off the side of the road. There you have it. Yeah, wave. Yep. Maybe I had to do a potty stop because all the bathrooms are closed. They're all locked up. All the side roads that go off to the canyons are all closed. That four-banger wine. Pretty cool road. See where we're gonna go. Truck's all the way up there. It looks like it's gonna drop down once we get up there. Maybe not. The road's opening up a little bit. A 50 mile an hour turn. We got it up to 60 right now, so. Saturday, cruising the desert. Coronavirus quarantine, Dano. Based out of Panamint, Nevada right now. I'm gonna head back there after we get the tour around Panamint Springs. I was gonna save this for the way home to take this route, but don't know when I'm going home, so decided to do a day trip. I got a brake check area. Weather forecast is for rain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Saturday today was probably going to be the best day to get a nice clear drive. Skies are blue, but a little bit of haze out there. Now we're at 4,956 feet. We're below sea level down there in Death Valley. Everything's so green. In a few months it'll be brown again. I was hoping to see some wildflowers. That didn't happen. Oh, we're going to drop down now the next 9 miles. We got some 9% grade for 6 miles. Let's see what we got up here. Panamint Springs, 13 miles. Alright. There we have it. We're rolling. 13 miles. I think will be my final destination. We'll check out Panamint Springs. We'll take it from there. We're rolling at 70 now. Rock slides, next 4 miles. Foot off the gas, we're coasting. Double line, 2 lane. Wow. Glad I left the video running. Look at that, huh? How pretty is this? How cool is this? Put the brake on. We're rolling at 70. 45 mile an hour turn up here. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Hang on there. Wow, huh? I gotta climb back up this sucker in a little bit. Wind it out on the way back up. Wow, look at that. Stay in your lane, Dano. Look at that. How beautiful is that? I should have turned out there and snapped some pictures. Oh well. Oh, here comes a Mercedes Sprinter. We're dropped down to 4,000. Oh, excuse me, Ford Transit. Drop down to 4,000 feet. Let me widen this out a little bit. Wow. What a road. California Highway 190 West. Talked about a 9% grade. 3 more miles of it. It's going to be a lot of pedal to the metal coming back up, winding out second gear. A little 4-cylinder, inline 4-cylinder is going to whine. She's real fine, my whiner. And look at way out there. Behind the guardrails, straight ahead. That is the road. Wow. Look at this. Amazing how they cut out these roads for the mountains. 2,000 feet. Beautiful continent we have, don't we? There's a roadway over there. America the beautiful. I love the western United States for sightseeing, especially. Wow, we're running 80 miles an hour. Bugs are hitting the windshield. Sorry, bugs. Woo-wee, hang on. Cut the corner a little bit. I got my big camera on my lens, so my big camera and lens on my lap. Sliding all over the place. Took care of that. Look at that. Wow. So we got 9% grade for another 5% grade for 2 miles. Wow, look at that road out there, huh? We'll be there in a bit. Down to 2,000 feet. I have a feeling down here we're at sea level again. My ears are getting kind of stuffed up. Thought they would pop by now. Look at that road ahead. That's what I'm doing. What goes up must come down. I think we've fallen farther than going up. I see life way up there at the top. Maybe that's Panamint Springs. We'll find out. What do you think? The next sign down here is going to say 1,000 feet? Or are we actually going to be at sea level? I haven't seen the sign yet. There, that truck that was in front of me finally pulling over. It was time to water the bushes. Captured on DanoLive. Have no shame. Oh, we got a couple race cars out here. We can mark off a 1/4 mile. We can pull some gears, push some pedals, open some headers. Some kind of a town up here. hang on. We're still headed there. We're at 70 mile an hour. I know I should be driving with a camera, but oh well. A lot of things we shouldn't be doing. Well, we're not going that far. Let's see, how close are we to Panamint Springs? 3 miles, that's what that is up there. Okay. Lone Pine. Lone Pine is about 33 miles. Guess if I want to take off from Panamint, I can come here, go to Lone Pine, go to Bishop, up to Mammoth Lakes, and go over into Nevada, maybe up to Reno, Tahoe. Who knows? Or maybe I take off, go east to Four Corner States, go up into Utah, see some really nice, colorful mountains. Look, we got a couple SUVs parked up here. Or recreational vehicles, I should say, motorhomes. Motor coaches. Still tuned in watching it. Thank you very much. Hope you're enjoying the drive. I think this might be our turnaround point. I was expecting a lot more than what I'm seeing. So, don't know until we know. I dropped the speed down to us at 55. And I drop it down to us at 45.
In half a mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Hey, how about that? There we are. All kinds of stuff laying out over here. Gas station, general store, probably open. Some good photo ops. Let's go beyond and come back. How's that? Looks like they're